Eccoci, siamo tornati sul palco. Welcome back on our wow stage. Our next guest is Avital Legar. I hope to pronounce it well. Hi, Avital.
Perfectly. Hi.
Perfectly.
Hi.
You're generous. Thank you very much. Your speech is called Global Fashion Tech New Disruptions. Avital is the head of PR and communication at Startupbootcamp Global Fashion Tech. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's converse well in Italian or in English. We can decide further on.
As you prefer, in English or Italian. Let me ask to the technical team if English is okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Perfect
Perfetto.
English. Perfetto. Let's do it in English. So, the stage is yours. I'll be back in 20 minutes, more or less. So, see you later.
Great. Great. So are we going to show the presentation? Yes. Perfect. So hi, I'm Avital. I'm representing. We can go for the next slide. I'm representing Startup Bootcamp Fashion Tech. We can go next. So we are an open innovation and sustainability platform. We are working strongly with startups, corporates, and so on. We can go next. Startup Bootcamp is a program, an accelerator program that is working since 2010. We are working already 11 years globally. You can go next. We have accelerators in Dubai, Singapore, Miami, San Francisco, Mexico, New York. As you see, we are spread all around the world. On the next slide, you will see our partners in Milan. In Milan, we launched our program 2 years ago. We are doing we are working strongly on open innovation. Therefore, we are having partners like fashion brands like Prada, Valentino, Island. Also, we have from the Fondazione del Tessile Italiano, we have our partners that are working, the pioneers of the luxury textile in Italy. We have as well our innovation partners like Accenture, Jellify, PwC, Soprasteria, VAR Group, Deda Group, Alta Gamma, and Readers, of course. So we are working with, let's say, 360 degrees with the supply chain partners to really empower the innovation in fashion tech. We can go next, where you will see the slide also that we are collaborating with other accelerators. We are really believing in open innovation. So we have collaborations with universities, other accelerators, and also, let's say, other innovation centers. On the next slide, you will see our main verticals. So we in Startup Bootcamp working with innovative, disruptive solutions like digital omnichannel consumer engagement. We have the sustainability as a business vertical, and we have operation and excellence industry 4.0. On the next slide, you will see also some of the solutions that we are having. So you can see omnichannel at scale, XR, digital secondhand, and so on. In the next slide, I would like to dive in the mixed reality, XR, everything. So you can see that on the let's say on the mixed reality, we have a few solutions. We can digitalize the product, right? We can have a digitized product like the clothing or accessories to really have the digital twin of a specific product that we would like to acquire. Further on, we have also places, so we can have digital places and digital architecture that can create a new environment from the products. Another pillar is people. I'm sure some of you already know that there are digital influencers that are collaborating with fashion brands that are never been existed in real life. In the next slide as well, that we have another important trend, it's an e-sport and in-gaming. So you can see in the fashion industry, and especially in luxury, collaborations between gaming, gamifications, and for example, also creating an interesting, more playful way to purchase items, but also collaborating with really gaming platforms like Twitch, creating skins of digital brands. In the next slide, you can see the social live shopping. So social live shopping is something that you can see that already in China it's getting really strong awareness. So 62% of the Chinese population, they already been using the live stream. We have, for example, um, a digital influencer for the social life. Some of you might know him. His name is Mr. Bag, and he's been able to sell 3.2 million in 6 minutes of worth of bags. So this is a great amount. In the next slide, I would like to talk in AI everything. So AI everything, we can say that it's working mainly on prediction and really to integrate smart technology of artificial intelligence and integrating it into some production processes in the merchandising, and really to understand based on artificial intelligence how we can predict the future, really to help in the programming. On the next slide, we have as well the smart boutique concept. So what is a smart boutique concept? We can call it also unified commerce. So really to connect between the digital and the physical. We can see that still 70%, even now during COVID, people prefer to buy items offline, especially where we're talking about luxury items. So we have also trends in data-driven analysis. So really to understand also from online to offline and connect those two words. Zero inventory, it's important as well to demand to understand before the demand of a specific item, and to balance the inventory between the shops. Of course, we have also our last trend that I would like to talk about. It's sustainability as a business. In the next slide, sustainability is a really important topic, and we are happy also to see big corporates in the fashion world, but also not only in the fashion world, establishing a sustainability journey to make their company more sustainable. So some of these solutions that you can find, they are green production, of course. So from let's say from the material, we are starting from the material, and really to see that this a sustainable way of also social sustainable way. Then we're talking about fashion as a service, so it's more sustainable business model. So it can be second hand, it could be sharing, and of course an important part is the upcycling or recycling of the product. So 360 degrees of economy and not a linear approach. Yeah, in a nutshell, these are some of the trends that I was happy to discuss with you. We are a Startup Bootcamp FashionTech. We're based in Milan. We're a global program, but let's say our headquarters is in the center of Milan. You can reach us, or if you are interested, you can apply, or you can scan the QR code. And yeah, I would be happy also to answer for some questions if you have something to ask me.
Hi, Avital. Thank you very much. We don't have now any questions from the audience, but I'm sure that they will reach you with to your contacts if they have some question later. So thank you very much for your presentation. te grazie davvero per la tua presentazione. And
Grazie a
see you
voi.
soon e speriamo di vederci dal vivo un giorno, ma succederà. Grazie ancora.
Great event. Thank you for hosting
Thank
us.
you. Thank you.
Grazie, ciao.
Ciao, 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 ciao.